Okay, so I'm Sarah Gorton from the health team here at UNISON, and I'm talking to Sharon Bandisher today about our Health Heroes Award. So Sharon, who or what is a health hero?
Health heroes are the NHS support workforce, and they make up nearly half of the total NHS workforce. So the different roles that they do include admin and clerical roles, such as working in finance and IT, catering roles, porters, cleaners, and also we've got healthcare assistants, so all the clinical support workers as well, such as OT support workers and other technician and assistant roles.
Okay, so tell us about the awards.
So the Our Health Heroes Awards we're putting on in conjunction with Skills for Health and the National Skills Academy for Health as part of UNISON's wider One Team campaign. The awards are split into two categories. So it will be Operational Services Worker of the Year 2016 and Clinical Support Worker of the Year. The roles it covers are the ones that I've just mentioned before, but you can find a more extensive list on the Skills for Health website.
Right, so we're looking for people who are doing these kind of roles to put themselves forward, or can you nominate other people?
You can nominate other people, and it doesn't matter which NHS organisation you work in. It doesn't matter what role you perform as well. So we're accepting nominations from managers, supervisors, UNISON reps, and also UNISON members. So we're encouraging as many nominations as possible. But it's probably best you ask permission from the person you're nominating to avoid any surprises.
Okay, so our message to anybody out there who works with somebody who does one of these jobs that thinks they're a real unsung hero is to nominate them and put an application in.
Yeah, so what they'll need to do is write 500 words about why they think that particular health hero is deserving of the award. There's some criteria which you need to follow, which is also available on the website as well, but it's a real good chance to promote the roles that these groups of staff do. And because we're having a public vote as well, it's a really good opportunity to showcase the work that support staff do in the NHS and get them involved as well.
Okay, so when's the deadline?
The deadline for nominations is the 23rd of September.
Yeah.
Regional winners will be announced on the 31st of October. There will be a winner from each of the category from UNISON's 12 regions, so there'll be 24 finalists overall. They will then be invited to attend an award ceremony which is due to take place on the 29th of November at the UNISON Centre in London, and then an overall winner from each category will be chosen.
Great, so winners, if you are one of our potential winners, you'll be coming here and this space behind us will be transformed into a glitzy award ceremony and people will come and get their award.
They will.
Here.
So all of the regional winners will receive a glass award, and then the overall winners will receive a spa break for a weekend break, which is great. But we're also working with Skills for Health to put on a training package for that particular winner and their team.
So why is it? Why are these awards important?
The reason why these awards are important is because we want to promote the valuable contribution that NHS support staff make, because without them the NHS just simply wouldn't run. They're always the groups of staff that get forgotten about. I think when people think about the NHS, it's always doctors and nurses, and that doesn't make sense given that they make up almost half of the workforce and deliver 60% of patient care as well.
Yeah, so I know UNISON's One Team campaign tries to promote these roles, so and the awards is an important part of that, isn't it?
It's a really, really important part. I think the awards does something which the campaign strives to do, which is to celebrate the value and worth of support staff in the NHS. So it's a really, really positive thing to get involved in, which is why we're working with employers, NHS employers and NHS employers representatives will also be part of the judging panel. So it's a really positive message.
That's brilliant. So, any of you out there who are or know a brilliant support worker that they want to nominate, get visiting the UNISON website and put an application in very quickly.
Thank you.